Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a get ready with me video. I'm going to be using all the products that I got from Connie from our Makeupswap. Most of them I'm going to be using some of the items that I'm already using are some of my favorites. But I just wanted to do like a grungy brown soft look, nothing too crazy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Who you think you're talking to? I spend time alone long before I met you. These days looking like a dream since I've been on the road. Seeing shit I've never seen before and still there's no place like home. Spending all my days on the west side now. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up the program. Trying to get to know when I'm hands right now. I'm tired of you doing your research for me. I've been on it since I was this young. Bet you never wanna go so cold, get some pull up my hands. Got my top on a floaty bullshit that I hate with. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard, I want you to feel that way. Now I've been done with this bullshit, man, I need your fucking. Been on this like my own mind, I create my own bullshit. Spending all my days on the west side now. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up the program right now. Trying to put some love in my own hands right now. I ain't making some bitches out just to me up. Trying to ask me you may never be able to set me up. Where the fuck was shit when I was broken? I needed help. Ain't nobody out here put me on, then I should have said. I'm tired of y'all not doing your research, look me up. I've been on it since I was this young, look me up. Bet you know the man that goes so focused and put on my business. Got no time for all the floaty bullshit. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard to make you feel that way, boo. Now I've heard I'm done with this bullshit, man, I need your fucking. Been on this, make my own mind and create my own bullshit. Spending all my days on the west side now. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up the program right now. Trying to put some love in my own hands right now. Praying that my feeling gonna last a little while. Living in a city that they can't afford. That's why I'm 21 and on my grind, baby, I don't play. I know it's all just a matter of time, check the resume. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard to make you feel that way. Now I've heard I'm done with this bullshit, and I know you're fucking. Been on this, make my own mind, create my own bullshit. Spending all my days on the west side now. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up the program right now. Trying to put some love in my own hands right now. I ain't making some bitches out just to me up. Trying to ask me you may never be able to set me up. Where the fuck was shit when I was broken? I needed help. Ain't nobody out here put me on, then I should have said. I'm tired of y'all not doing your research, look me up. I've been on it since I was this young, look me up. Bet you never meant to go so focused and put up my business. Got no time for all the floaty bullshit that I hate with. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard to let you feel that way, boo. Now I've heard I'm done with this bullshit, man, I know you're fucking. Been on this, make my own mind, create my own bullshit.
Hi guys, I hope that you guys like this simple glam look, and I have one more thing. Also doing a giveaway, and this is going to be the giveaway prize. I'm going to open it and show you guys what's inside to see what you guys will be winning, and all the rules and everything is on my last video. I'll link it down below so you guys can go watch it. So you guys are going to get our chokers. It's a necklace with a little lipstick. It's so cute. The next thing is we're going to be getting are 2 of the new Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks and 1 of their highlighters. Next thing is an e.l.f. highlighter. It's so pretty. And lastly, guys, we're going to be getting is this Milani matte eyeshadow palette. So you guys go ahead and check out that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.